Hello, everyone. Hello, God creatures. Welcome to my channel. I'm Francis Hayes Jones. So, today I will be cooking potato greens, which is a well known Liberian dish. If you are in the United States, it's similar to spinach, but not really. But this is potato greens, and my God, I love it, but I hate cooking it because you have to peel the leaves, you have to peel the stem. You see here, one by one it's annoying. It takes a lot of time. But anyways, before we continue, for those who are new, thank you for tuning in. But please hit that subscribe button. And those who have been watching and haven't subscribed yet, you can go right ahead and click that subscribe button to get the notification whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for those who have already been watching and subscribed. After peeling it, you take a little bit of baking soda, put it in your hand as I'm showing here, and rub the grains together. It becomes so beautiful and green. Potato green is really good for the body. It has a lot of iron in it and many other vitamins. And above all, it tastes so delicious. It is really good. That's why it's one of the well-known Liberian dish. And right after, you have to rub it as much as you can. And look how beautiful this thing is. I love the color. Now let's proceed to cooking it. For my carbs, I will be using bulgur wheat. It's really rich in fiber. The doctors always recommend it for diabetic patients. You don't have to have diabetes to eat bulgur wheat. It's really good. You can also use regular white rice, but I just love bulgur wheat because of the fiber and everything it consists of. Measured the burger wheat. It's just me, what I'm doing right now. I prep for the week and I have to measure all my meals. So for the carbs, which is the burger wheat, I have to eat 5 grams. For the vegetable, which is the potato greens, I have to eat 1 cup. And for the protein, which is the chicken, I have to eat 6 ounces. That's why I didn't mix the potato greens and the chicken and everything together because I have to measure them separately. But in a regular life, you don't have to do all that. I just wanted to explain why I'm doing all this before I look like I'm crazy.